Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK2, Unit 12, 第12单元。你穿的太少了，你穿的太少了。You wear too little. Look at these pictures. So number 1, 妻子。妻子 means wife. But in oral Chinese we call that 老婆。And husband we say, literally we say 丈夫. And in oral Chinese, 老公. So choose B. Number 2, 睡觉. To sleep. So choose D. Number 3, 房间. Means room. Choose A. 下雪. That means to snow. Choose E. 起床. Get up. So choose F. And number 6, 房子. So choose F. Oh, sorry, here 2 F's. So this C, right? C. So this one, here 起床, we choose C. And here, let's correct now. So the book is not all correct. And the number 1 text, so in the classroom, A says, 你每天早上几点起床？每天 every day 早上 every morning 每天早上 right 几点起床 So when do you get up every morning? When do you get up every morning? 6点多 So a few minutes past 6 多 That means degree, but you don't know the exactly degree, right? So we also can say that more than 7 or a few minutes past 7. How to say that? 7点多 right? 你比我早起1个小时 So here be sentence, right? But here it is more complicated. And we'll learn later. So be sentence number 2, the grammar. 我睡得也早，我每天晚上10点就睡觉。I go to bed early also, at 10 o'clock every night. 就 here, we learned this adverb before. That means something is earlier than you expect, right? So 就10点就睡觉 is early. Is it early for you? But I think it's normal for me. I go to bed very early every night. 早睡早起身体好 It's healthy to keep early hours. It's healthy to keep early hours. 早睡早起 We learned this one in Chinese common saying, right? I taught you before. You can check out this video. 早睡早起身体好 is a common saying in Chinese. The here particle used after a verb or an adjective to introduce a complement of result or degree. So we'll learn this complements of degree this time. So complements of degree. For example, so we say that run fast, right? Run fast. So how about the run's degree, right? The running's degree, and we want to express fast. So how to express in Chinese? Let's learn it today. A complement of degree describes the degree of something. So the structural particle de here is often used to introduce a complement of degree which makes remarks on the extent or degree and action or the quality or state of something. Oh, it's too long. Has reached. For example, this sentence subject 他 he 说得很好。说得很好 So he speaks very well. Maybe 说英语说得很好 So speaks English, right? So we add object. And let's see the sentence number 2 first. And then we learn that add object after this verb. 我起得很早 ，so I get up early. I get up very early. 起 so get up. 的 so we use the after this verb. And how about the degree? How about the degree? 很早 very early, right? So here, if the verb takes an object, the object should be put before the verb. Okay, should put before the verb. Take note. Or the verb be reduplicated. Oh, reduplicated again. So let's see this one. 他说汉语说得很好. So reduplicated. 说 we mentioned here for the first time and reduplicated. 说 again. 说汉语 verb, object, verb, and pay attention. Please take a note. 他说汉语说得很好. So he speaks Chinese very well. Here we mentioned an object. Put the object before verb, and we also need to reduplicate the verb. And here, in the negative form, the negative word should be put after the structural the. Here negative, we don't put the negative form 不 before the verb, but after the particle here. 他说的不好. He speaks not very good, not good. 我起得不早. I get up not early. Okay, so first you should try to remember verb at the, and we can add the adjective to express the degree or result. But we'll learn later about the result, so complement of result. But this time about the degree, and pay attention. We if the verb takes an object, and we should put before verb and reduplicate the verb again. Next, negative form, add 不 after here. It's complicated, right? So number 2, text 2. 再来点米饭吧，你吃的太少了。Have more rice, please. You ate too little. 不少了，今天吃得很好，太谢谢你了。Not a little, actually, I've enjoyed the meal a lot. 不少了 ，so negative, right? Negative word. 不少 ，not little. 今天吃得很好的 ，so what signal word of this sentence of complements of degree here, right? Verb 的 and express the degree 很好 very good. 你做饭做得怎么样 How well can you cook? 不怎么样，不怎么样 that means not well. So when someone asks you 你汉语说得怎么样 How about your Chinese? 不怎么样 so not very well. The degree is lighter than 不好。我妻子比我做得好。My wife is a better cook than I am. 妻子 means wife. Okay, number 3. 下雪了，今天真冷。It's snowing. It's really cold today. 有零下10度吧？有零下10度吧？ The temperature may be 10 degrees below zero. Am I right? 有零下10度吧？ So 有 we can use in the beginning of the sentence. Means so always we translate like is there or are there 有 something, right? 是啊，你穿的太少了 You wear too little. 我们进房间吧 Let's go inside the house, okay? 好吧 Okay. So new words here 雪 snow. It's a noun 零 numeral word 0 do degree 穿 to wear to put on 进to enter, to come, go in, 进 Okay, so next one, text 4, at home. 你在忙什么呢？我弟弟让我帮他找个房子。What are you busy with? 忙 means busy. What are you busy with? 我弟弟 My younger brother asked me to find an apartment for him. 帮他 so 让 somebody let somebody to do something. 帮他找个房子。现在他家离公司有点远。Here we learned that to express the distance we use 离 here. So somewhere 离 somewhere near or far. So it's really here. He now lives far from 离 we can translate from the company. He now lives far from the company. Here 远 means far. 现在 now. And next sentence 住得远真的很累。住得远 so live far. It's really exhausting to live far, right? 真的很累。真的 really 很累 very tired or exhausted. 是啊，他也希望能住得近一点。希望能住得近一点。希望 means that a hope or wish. So he also wants to live near. 住得近一点。Here also the complement of degree. 弟弟 means that younger brother. 近 means near or close. Okay, we learned that to express that complements degree, and we also have another grammar, and we can learn that next lesson. Be sentence number 2 grammar. So please take note and practice. It's better to practice every day. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.